how to half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can half swipe on Snapchat on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to half swipe on Snapchat, which basically means that you want to read the messages without letting the other person know that you have read the messages, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat app. Then just come to the DMs page over here. So normally if you swipe it just like this, normally it's just going to take you to the Snap Map page, which you don't really want to happen, right? So you don't want to be taken to the Snap Map page, but instead you want to read the messages. So the trick over here is that if you normally open up a specific message and then read their message, they're going to know and they're going to see your profile image over here, and then they're going to figure out that you have read their messages. But in order for not that to happen, what you want to do is you want to actually swipe right. So you can see two things over here. One is the profile picture and one is the profile name. If you swipe right from the profile name, you will just come to the Snap Map page. So the trick over here is just swipe right from the profile picture like this, and then you'll come to the chat page. So you can just swipe it as far as possible until you can read the messages, and then just take it back to your normal screen like this. What you don't want to do is when you swipe like this, you don't want to release your fingers like this, because then it is going to take you to the chat page and it's going to let them know that you have read the messages. So the thing I want you to understand is that just swipe right all the way that you can over here. So swipe it to the maximum end. You don't want to even mistakenly release your fingers, because that is going to let them know. And then you want to swipe it back to your home screen like this, as you can see, and then just take it back forward. So the trick, as I said, is to swipe right from the profile picture, not from the profile name, because it's going to take you to the Snap Map page. You want to swipe right from the profile picture like this, read the messages, and take it back to its original position. This is how you can half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.